college, I plan on studying biology.
Molecular engineering.
Sports medicine.
Chemical engineering.
Biochemistry or forensic science. So I want to be a biomedical engineer.
When the time arrived last spring to begin initial campus improvements at Lamont High School, science labs were at the top of our list. Lamont High School retired several science classrooms in May 2025, with one last class period closing the books on spaces that had served students for decades. With just 12 weeks between the start of the project and the first days of class for the upcoming school year, there was little time to spare. As students enjoyed their summer, these new classrooms gradually began to take shape. And by the first day of school in August, 7 new science classrooms, including 6 labs, were ready to welcome students. 2 more classrooms that host business education classes were finalized before the middle of the semester. It did not take long for students and teachers to notice a big difference in what they were able to accomplish in the classroom, as well as the collaboration spaces created in the hallways. These renovations undoubtedly will prepare our students for a rapidly changing world.
Given the fact that, we can switch from doing a whiteboard activity to doing a lab activity to doing a lecture activity really easily by simply moving things around, it really allows me to be more flexible in my planning.
We have chairs and desks that we can use outside of the classroom, and I think it's a nice change of scenery to use that than just being inside the classroom all the time learning, and it allows for more different environments for students to use.
I think student collaboration has definitely greatly improved, especially because these new tables are around and you're able to see and talk to everyone at your table, and you're able to also collaborate with other people. It's very accessible to other tables.
It allows us to change the setups at will and basically put tables however we want to work either in larger groups, smaller groups with just a partner or alone.
Those kind of interpersonal skills, those abilities to move and transition from one activity to the other, I think are super important, and they teach our students a lot of lessons that they will be applying in their future professions.
The way that our chemistry labs are set up, it is how a college level, I would say, lab is set up.
The new rooms seem more professional and more modern, just how it would be in college, and we can have the accessibility to work with our teammates or peers or classmates during class, and then also now in the hallways we're able to work individually, which is nice since that's how you will be in the college life as well.
It allows students to have more hands-on time and kind of emulate the processes that they'll be doing in college.
A big thing with a lot of the old desks were, especially in classrooms with tables, a lot of the chairs were just stools and they had no back support for students. So I think the new tables, do a better job of promoting, support and comfortability for all students.
The seats are much more flexible. The rooms are much more spacious than before. This allows students to use the equipment much better, and especially during the labs that we're doing, it allows for more trial and error and to work a little bit more quickly as well, while also having the room to kind of adjust during the lab procedures.
I think the fact that we're able to offer our students more will definitely affect the achievement that they're going to have on standardized tests and even in the tests in the classroom.
Definitely engages me more with my learning.
I see it being more beneficial than the environment that we had, just 9 months ago. It's a drastic improvement.
These renovations are just the beginning of exciting improvements on campus. Work will begin in May on the next phase, which will transform additional spaces this summer. Those plans include the renovation of more science labs, the relocation of the makerspace, and a new multi-use collaborative area that will provide flexibility in a comfortable setting. We expect these projects to be ready when students return to campus this August.